And I can't let them have my mind, no way. I was on some different shit, I went my own way. Told my mama wipe them tears, it's gonna be okay. Made it from the bottom to the top, now I can't see the hate. Why they talking on my life like I won't make it? I'm too busy counting cheese while I'm getting faded. I won't say a word and these niggas still gon' hate me. And I ain't going to no club unless they tryna pay me.
See, the hardest part about making these videos, I don't even know how to start them, bro. What's happening? Nah. But what it do, y'all? It's been a little minute since I made a little video, you know what I'm saying? I got pretty far. I'm real close. I'm super close of getting this car started up. But just me personally, I don't like I could probably get it to start up right now, but I don't like starting up my cars before I got everything at least 90 or 80% finished, because, you know, for me, I get lazy when I get a car to start up. Afterwards, I'm not really trying to do nothing. I'm just trying to pump my brakes, you know what I'm saying, get everything situated. I'm gonna be showing y'all, you know what I'm saying, what's what, where I'm at, you know, what I went through, because I did have a couple troubles, so I should get straight to it. And this is where we at with it, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing a lot of cleanup work, trying to perfect my small details, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make it to where you only see the motor and nothing else when you pop the hood on here. So I've been doing a lot dealing with that, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make it so clean. I'm trying to be like, cause you know, with this swapping cars and doing all this stuff, I want to kind of do it as like a main gig or whatever. Like I want to just swap cars, build motors, and that's all I want to do, and make videos. I'm not trying to work for nobody else. I'm trying to work for myself, you know? So this is going to be like a business card. When you see this pull up, it's like, let me see your work, pop the hood. This is what you see. You know what I'm saying? I still got to do a lot of tidying up on a lot of things. I don't like the way some of these things are routed. I need to get throttle body bolts, you know, but for the most part, it's pretty clean. I'm trying to really dive into the small detail stuff, you know. I need to get some heat shrink for all my stuff. Let me let y'all check it out real quick. Check me out, check me out. Coming different on this, you hear me? Check me out, check me out, check me out. I still gotta wrap the stock lines and whatnot on that side, but boy, we looking good. Oh, check this out. Ta-da! You see it? You see me, my boy? Oh, I don't think y'all seen it. I don't think y'all seen it. Yeah. So what does that mean? Y'all must be asking yourself, what does it mean? The lights come on? What have you done? Well, let me show you real quick. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear everything, but you're supposed to hear, you know what I'm saying? Open your ears, listen. You know, these keys be getting me, boy. They be beating my butt. Like I said, we are literally right there with this car. I can start it up if I want to. I got the fuel line on. I gotta get two sensors, the map sensor and the MAF sensor. My fans are already ordered for my radiator. I'm just trying to do it the right way. I'm not trying to rush it, not trying to force it or anything. Because once you start doing that, you know what I'm saying? The laws of this car building stuff, it fights you and it wins. You cannot beat it. It will win every single time. I swear to God. I swear. So I'm just trying to take my time, you know what I'm saying? Do it the legit right way. Have patience, enjoy the process, because that's what we need to do. I need to stop looking at social media and letting them tell you how you're supposed to do it and, you know, how fast it's supposed to be. This stuff ain't fast. Like, I'm there. I'm just showing y'all you gotta be patient, you know what I'm saying? But some of the issues I ran into is, which I still gotta switch this over. This line right here was the pink distributor line or whatever for the car. It wasn't working and my fuel pump wasn't kicking on. So I had just, I run the pink distributor line. So it's my switch 12. I run to the distribution block. I put it on this big post. And then every switch 12 I need, I just put it on each post. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit of free game right there for you. But it wasn't working. So I went over to the fuse block and put it in that port right there for the, I believe, the ECU. We don't need the ECU fuse anymore because we took the ECU out. So, you know what I'm saying? That's a little bit of, I don't know why the heck my carpet wet, but that's a little bit of free game. You know what I'm saying? If your pink distributor wire don't work, you go over there, put an inline fuse right there. Cause on my Caprice, I blew out that fuse or whatever because I was running it straight to there. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm taking precautions now, which was one of the reasons why I pulled the motor out there, because I didn't feel like fixing that. And I really wanted my truck running. So, yeah. Still got to do some cleaning up. I got to figure out where I want to mount this. I got to clean up them wires. I don't know if I want to put it here. I don't know. I have no clue where I'm going to put that. This is where I put my ECU. You'll have to take that stock bracket for the other old ECU out. The hardest part will be putting these two bolts in there. You know what I'm saying? Try not to strip it or whatever, but you got to push down and tighten it up. Still got to clean up some more wires in here and whatnot, but that's the location for my ECU. The build gonna be pretty clean, bro. I swear to God. I get my headers on there. I need one O2 sensor. If y'all can put me on game how this AC stuff work, please let me know. Cause I don't know. Mine is a 1990, so if you know where this wire goes, AC pressure, transducer, whatever, if you know where that goes, let me know. If I even need it, you know what I'm saying? I know I still got all these AC wires. These AC wires over here, so let me know. I got all my main cab HVAC on a mega fuse right there, and I got that running to the battery. You know, still gotta run a power wire from the alternator to the battery. I really wanted to get I wanted to make it look as OEM as possible. I need to clean this battery. This battery is stupid dirty, but I wanted to get one of these for the power side. I'm like, these wires too big, and I don't think I could have made it work. I probably could have just got the cover and just put it over it. I don't know. I'm just paying I'm paying attention to the small details for real on this build. You know what I'm saying? All the small details. I appreciate y'all for watching. You know what I'm saying? Staying tuned, staying connected, you know, reaching out, whatnot to me. I will continue to drop these bangers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, or just like, or just show your mama or your grandma, show your grandpa or your dad. Peace.
And I can't let them have my mind, no way. I was on some different shit, I went my own way. Told my mama wipe them tears, it's gonna be okay. Made it from the bottom to the top, now I can't see the hate. Why they talking on my life like I won't make it? I'm too busy counting cheese while I'm getting faded. I won't say a word and these niggas still gon' hate me. And I ain't going to no club unless they tryna pay.